Hello guys, can you hear me now? Hello guys, let me know right ki I'm audible. Hello. Okay, yeah, I'm now audible. Okay, then it's great. Hello guys, how you doing? All all is great. Look at this euro just going up and up and up. Literally it's just going up and up and up. It's better like not to take any trade, which we need a little bit events. It's better like wait for any trading opportunity. Currently, like the price action is not good. I'll say again, for me, I'll say the price action is not good. Right, look at this weekly candle. Price just shot up, and I was expecting a pullback. It, I was expecting a pullback at least to this level, right? But the look at the momentum, right? Yes, bro. Yeah, I'm doing good, brother. Look at this momentum, right? Just price opened here and just two candles, 2 days candle already tap out the overall liquidity. So for me, like I'll say external range liquidity is already tap out, right? External range liquidity is already tap out. So I'm waiting for, say it can, this could be an also a good area, right? But if I look at weekly is showing like this could be a good area. And let's say daily, right? If I go to daily, see, this was the only level where I longed. After that, there was no trade for me to long, right? There was no trade literally. If I go to 4 hour, okay, 4 hour, this was a trade idea. I can say this wasn't also trade idea. Only this, right? This, like, I was looking for this level and this level. After that, there was no trading opportunity for me. And I think I got one where I got, yeah, I got like I got one SL here. Yeah. And like I'll say ki I was like my idea was perfect, everything was perfect, but I still got like three SLs, three SL last week. For example, the trade I took was first trade was here. I took this trade idea and my SL was something here. Just it just touched my SL and after that it just dump. And I was targeting this low. It was around 2.61. So it took my SL first. And then the second trade was that was the third trade, I think so. And another trade, where was the yeah? This one was same trade. I took an entry here, and again I posted this one on Twitter also. My SL was something like that. It just touched my SL, and then I was targeting this low. Where was the? Yeah, I was targeting this low for 2.5 hour, and it just dropped. So it took my two, like it took two SLs. And then I got this win, which was, yeah, I took this win like a long trade. And after that, this one I took, this was a loss. I think I was shorting also. Yeah, I was shorting this one, so this was a loss. So today I took a win, today I took a win. How I took the trade, I will first discuss this trade idea, and then I will like show you the analysis. Currently, the price was somewhere like this was the overall liquidity for me, and then I realized ki if I go to daily, okay, so price was look sorry for daily 4 hour, yeah. So when I go to 4 hour, I realized this was range, right? A single candle and then one, two, three. Three candle was inside this candle, so I realized ki this was a range. Then I was not targeting this level. Then I put 50% of this range. to this level, and after that this was something like that, so I took this entry. First I got as one SL on this, like I was shorting, and this was one SL. Then after that this was my entry somewhere, and then my SL was this one. So I got exact at the tip, like I exactly close at the tip of this, and so I got like around 1.7 something, 1.73 or something this hour on this trade idea. But I was not expecting a long, frankly speaking. And I'm not in a mood to take like long. I will wait for the like a sell side setup to form, then I will take any entries. Currently I'm not like in a mood too long. Let's discuss this one DXY. Okay, if I'll say like I was expecting when I do a stream on my Discord, I was already to like I already told from here I was expecting shorts, right? So I was expecting short. Why I was expecting shorts is was this was a weekly level, and there was an FEG here. Then I go to daily. This was a daily key level for shorts. So was I was expecting short, but let's say frankly speaking, I was expecting short, but something like that. I was something like that, but I was not expecting like this kind of momentum. Like I was not expecting this kind of momentum, like one side momentum, right? There was no pullback, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candle, and again, like okay, look at this, right? So I was not expecting this kind of reaction. If I say something, for example, if I look at this one, overall target can be this level. Overall target can be this level, but for me, like tomorrow is a new Fed rate decision, right? So I'm expecting price to what price can do is delete this one. Okay, now so what I'm expecting, either price can take this low today only. Okay, either price can take this low today only, or if price didn't take out this low today, I'm expecting like in the Fed rate conference or decision, I'm expecting something like that. Price to go above this one. It will become a range. Currently, like it's forming a range, right? So then it can go up. I'm not saying key that it can like reverses completely, but it will like go something up, right? To let's say something like this level, right? I'll go to six. Let me check. Yeah, to like something to at least to this level. So this was like my kind of an idea key. If like tomorrow news, either price can take this one and then closes above this one, and it can take out this low or this low. Then it can go to its or original momentum. That's what I'm expecting. Or one thing or can happen is like this is a low, right? This is a September low, so I'm thinking the price can take out this and reverse completely. There are two scenarios. First is pullback and another is reverse completely. So this was my analysis for uh, DXY. I took some trade on like this last like I'm backtesting this one. So I got like this one trades. I will explain this one 1:1, and this one. Yeah, this I got good. This one also. Let's discuss this one on 4 hour. Okay, price already like took out all of the liquidities already, or this all liquidity is already gone. Then I was expecting like this price, like if price closes below 930, like let's say if 930 closes below, 4 hour candle closes below, this can become an order block, right? And then price can do is tap and then go down. So this kind of scenario can happen. But first, what But first of all, we need this like a candle to drop, right? Candle to like go below this one and confirm that it's an order block. For example, if you look at this, right, 4-hour candle, 4-hour candle didn't take out the previous high and it didn't break out below this one. So that's why I was like confident on taking longs here. So that's why I took it. But if I look at today, I'll say ki if price closes below, it can make like this one and an order block. Then price can do something like this. This can this kind of scenario can form. We'll see. But if I'll say for Euro, don't short currently. There is like so much momentum in the market. So it's better to wait, right? Let's settle this price action, let the price action settle, and then take trade, right? Currently, you don't want to take unnecessary losses. So it's better for you to wait for like good setups. I'll say ki like in upcoming week I prefer short, right? In upcoming week I prefer shorts, not long. Why? Like price is already above. Why? It's not ki I'm expecting the like price to go like a little bit all down now, but I'm expecting a pullback. For pullback, obviously for pullback is short, right? So like there's a good level. There's a good level. There's a chance price can hit this one, and I think this is monthly level also, right? If I look at this, right? Price is already taken out the monthly highs, and it's not like this monthly highs, right? It's all, and this is also a FEG here, and this is a more of a like a refined FEG on weekly. So I'm expecting like price tap this one and then give us some kind of like a pullback. On pullback, you can shorts. So you need to wait for like a good level to price to reach a good level, and then you can target shorts. So currently, I'll say there is no level to short, right? This is not, but it can, if price can go here, then we can shorts, then you can like look for good opportunities, or let's say it makes some kind of, let's suppose price didn't tap out this level, but it start to make like 4-hour structure shifts, right? Like 4-hour structure shifts. Let's say it start to make like 4-hour structure shifts. Then I will take trade on this level, like in this level. So I will take trade on this level. So it can happen. But I was not expecting this long. That's why I didn't take it. Yeah, but I'll say ki I was like backtesting GR40, right? DEX. It's like showing us a good result. Like this is all trade I took. But it's not key I took on my funded account. It's just for practice on live account, but basically on live, and all trades are like this was an SL, but it's like giving us a good result. There's nothing much like 4-hour levels and 15 minutes entries. Like you need to just go with the current 4-hour structure, like what current 4-hour structure is doing. For example, let's say this price, this one, and then this is a bullish structure, right? If I say price, like if I tap out this level and show us some kind of momentum, then I can take long again. So it's just you need to follow what 4-hour structure is like doing. For example, why I took short, price is making lower lows, right? So I took a shots, and then I just again, and this was like a good entry, but there was a level I decided to take long again, but it didn't work out. But then when the price reach here, it was like already in a discounted zone, right? And there was this level also. If I show you for FEG with this level price tap out, I got throughout this one. Then I was like targeting this whole level, so it got, and then after that it's flipped, right? It flipped this FEG, so I took out this trade and still waiting for like if price tap out below this level and then give us a 15-minute shift. I can enter again. 4 hour structure, like I'll say, okay, 4 hour structure is just follow 4 hour structure, just like this, right? 4 hour, current 4 hour structure, right? Like this one, again, like this one. Let's say there is a structure, but price didn't tap out, just goes up. So we don't need to wait for something. This is current structure, right? And this goes long, right? Again, this structure again 4 hour like this, right? Bearish, bearish, then long. And it's not like you can only trade like 4 hour structure. You can go with the 6 hour. You need to basically find which time frame shows very clean structure, right? Like if I'm doing 9 hour, you need to find which time frame looks very clean. For example, let's say this is 9 hour, right? Uh, for example, this is daily. Daily looking clean? No. Let's okay. Now first go to this one. Okay, is this looking clean? Yeah. Is there any level? Yeah, it can like we can mark this level. Is there any level? Yeah, this can be a label. After that, check out daily. We already checked it. Let's say 12 hour, 12 hour. Okay. Is there any good structures, labels? Yeah, this one, this one. But here it's not looking clean. Again, go to 9 hour. Yeah, check. Okay, it's looking clean. Yeah, looking clean. Yes. Now, if you look at the 9 hour, right? This is level again, levels, right? And then you can like define your entries on this one. You just need to like look for a POIs. Like look at this, right? This is 9 hour gap. We can expect price to take out this level, but for that you need also have an entry criteria, right? You don't need to enter blindly, right? Any trade idea. You need structure to form, and then you can take trades like this one. Look at that, and like on any let's say this is go with the time frame which looks very clean, like this is clean, like this is a news, so you all know we can't trade news, so just wait like this, right? For example, this is level, right? Would I take this state and do right this structure and then take trade? No, I don't think so. I will like go with the previous levels to target new. You can like look for this kind of level on like forex, or mostly don't like it didn't work out on indices. Indices follow current structure because basically it's an when the market opens, right? It works on market opening only, just like NAS 100, right? It works mostly like after 9:30. It works good. So this kind of a structure you can trade. And if you go after that, you what you need to do is, let's say, let's mark the structure, right? And then we just need like this is 9, so we can't take trade. We are at the time we are not at the markets. Yeah, here you can like there is a sweep here, right? Thing like that. Then you can enter, give a room little bit. Oh, it's either way it's 2 hour, right? And again, there was no entry here. It came out here. This was in sweep, and then you can take entry somewhere here, right? And again, right? This is again an structure, again and a sweep. Right? Most of the like market, when a market like want to reverse or go in this direction, is mostly do a sweeps. For example, right? This was a level a market up. Is there any sweep on the left side? No, there was no. So you was like there was no trade, right? There was a sweep. Yeah, good. Is there was yeah, I took like this shots. There was is there was a sweep? Yeah, obvious there was, right? I took this long. There was sweep, but like I took this. There was no logical level, but I was still trying to take this long. Sweep was there, but there was no logical level to trade. But still got oh, when this was there was sweep, right? Market was bearish. Yeah, sweep. Is there any sweep idea? Yeah, like yeah. Again, is there any sweep right key I can confirm, right? This kind of like levels, it's not key. You can like this one again, right? This is a level. Is there any sweep? Yeah. Where is the okay? You can take trades. Wait for the right. 2R is a again. Is there any sweeps? Yeah. This level got taken out, and again you can take out the entry again. Is there any sweep? Yeah. It works like that. It's not key thing like that. Then you can enter, right? It's not clear you need to put your SL just below this one. No, give the SL room. Go targets. Again, the price, the level is here. Price, the price tap up now. Is there any? No. This is the level. Is the price tap out here? Or there any sweeps? Yep. Only this is the sweep. I can confirm. Right? Yeah, this is 15. So you can't take this one. Yeah, this is sweep. We can form. Then we can take it. Again, the same logic, same levels. Again, then a sweep. Yeah. Right? Same. That's how you like able to take trades. It depend upon you, right? Ki either you want to or not. Let's say this, right? Is I think is making for the okay. It's I think it can go sell. Like price tap out this flip. It can flip this one, right? Let's go to 15 minute. Yeah, it's flipping. Let's say it's 9:30. Nope, 9:22 is here. Okay, and let the looking. Suppose we took an entry or SL something like this or something like this, right? And then for 1:2 something like that. This can be an target. This is another entry. Or like currently, like if I'll say this is look, Alam said it took my SL and then go up. So basically you longed. You was long on euro. You like this team, guys? Like only this currently like trying to like NQ right key for futures account because the rest of your is good there. GR40 is also looking good. Or yes, there is no sweep. Let's see where the price opened. Price open somewhere. Yeah, it can go down. let's say its overall liquidity is here. Nine 9:30 now is 5 minutes more. DXY is doing its thing. Euro is again doing its thing. I do don't want to like short this kind of price action. Yeah, but will you, I think will at the end of like the day, you will definitely get some kind of what we call a momentum loose, right? Because all price are already at the monthly level, right? The monthly high. So we definitely will get some shorts, but it's not the price will drop to this levels, get a shorts, but Mhm. Like last week was pretty bad, bro. I took some nasty losses. S&P poised to challenge its highest 7,000 milestone result worries led Trump to increase tariff on South Korea from 25. Trump is doing his thing again, tariff, tariff, tariff. Bro, what, literally what? I can't like say anything. Yeah, I forget. Okay, let's check gold. What gold is doing? I forget to check gold, right? Let's check gold. Okay. Bro, gold is rather okay. Now it's looking. I think it can go shorts, huh? Yeah. I can like let's say it this is a level. It's I think 15 minute is flip, right? Yeah. I think it can go shorts to which level to this, not this. Let's it will to this level, right? Yeah, something right, something like that. We can expect something like that. Yeah. This market is still not open, but price is going up. That's why you use bigger vessels, right? 1:1 risk $250 and how much 250? 250. Let's say you risk $500 or you're going with 1:1, $500 into 10 accounts. So it's a 5K a day, right? If you are not going like let's say 5 to 50 into 10, then again 2.5K, right? A day. And if you think like that, you do with 10 days, okay, 25K. That's good. RR. But the thing is, you need to understand, right? Ki how can you do it? Use bigger SLs, right? In past, like when I was trading NAS 100, I was using very small SLs. And most of the time, what happened is price took out my SLs. So that's why I started like experimenting with bigger SLs. It's a good, I'll say, market opened, but the gold is still, yeah, like this here, tap out this level and then can go down. Let's see, RTP got hit. 1, 2, 3 on live again. See, that's how you do it, guys. Told you before that key we are looking for sales on stream, right? On stream, told you key we are looking for sales and the market is dumped. Why? It's just because, right? Key price take out this, it converted this one. We go to 1 hour, it's again go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes is converted. That's why we are. It took a lot of shots, right? 1, 2, 3, 3 wins. Price tap out like 250, 250, 250, 750, 750 into 10. You can say that, right? 7.5K. This can do like something. What is going on? Like this flipped, right? But you don't want to long monthly high, right? There's a again, don't long monthly high. The shots will be better, but this shit, right? I can like open some position here if only there was no wick here, right? I could have like opened some position like for like let's say I could have like here, then do some average here, but the thing is dollar has a wick, right? So it can go more like it's have like a it's have like more possibility to go downside, right? They have like a wick, very huge wick, right? It's waiting here. So I'm not in a mood to open some kind of positions on euro shots because I already burned myself enough. So I'm not interested, guys. Frankly speaking, only I got like this is way better. Mhm. Let's say this can again like flip, right? Something like this and wait like this. Let's say 15. Yeah, no, it can like this can go up. Yeah, this is liquidity. No, we can don't think so. If 0.7. Yeah, let's risk this one. Okay. This is a 1 win second. We'll see where I can target this. Yeah, let's see what will happen. We only got 1 win. Let me put this here. What gold is doing? Yep, gold reached. The thing is, but it's just risky to like short gold. But if I like, if price was in like a real like a real PA scenario, then it's a good shot. It's a good shot, literally. I'll say it's a good shot. Look at this candle. Okay, I think it can like today it can only today it can like take out this. What happened to the GR40? Where GR40 is there? Okay, gold. Frankly speaking, yeah, I don't know, but I'll gold looking very good. Gold looks good. Okay, our TP got hit again. Second TP also got hit. Second TP also got hit, guys. I'm not taking a gold trade, okay? I'm saying it can go up, will go down, but I'm not taking, okay, guys? Because I don't trade gold that much. The second thing is like price is very like already you know that it's not following up any PA, it's just following a fundamental is going up and up and up because there was so much uncertainty in the market currently, right? So that's why I'm not trading gold. I haven't caught any like a long short anything on gold because I don't trade gold. EU mostly and then now let's say NAS and red also. So anyone of you like have taken any trade? One more thing is like when the momentum is like don't in any queue don't trade against the momentum literally. When I was like doing a profirm right future profirm challenge, I was like taking trade against the momentum. For example, let's say I'll show you for example. Let's say the market is here, right? I was looking at, oh, there is a level and price. Oh, let me show you it. Suppose this is for our level. Let's- Hmm. Suppose this is right. This is for our. Yeah. Okay. So what I was doing is like market is dropping, right? On futures, and I was looking for okay, there is a level I can take trades. Like look for longs for this kind of scenario. Then once I realized this key, like don't look for any levels, just trade the momentum, right? Don't like, for example, if I'm seeing the market is like a down side, so don't wait for like to find a like a reversal point on the market. It's better to trade continuation on NQ. You will be more profitable. That's how to now I do it. if I look at this, at current is short seeing, right? So I don't need to like guess the market is what market is doing. That's why I took this one, right? And this one, same on the same basis, right? For example, like it's make like two, three candles or any candles. Would I take a long? No, I will wait. I'll wait. Either market will go above this one, then I can confirm, okay, the momentum is to the buy side. If not, and suppose it's made something go up again, and then so again I will take the shots because I don't want to trade against the momentum. As simple as that. Like if the PA, like if let's say if gold is following a PA, then this would be a good trade idea. But if you see, right, it's not doing anything. Let's say this is a level price, no, up. It's a momentum pair, right? If once you caught the momentum, it's just up. Same as the silver, right? Silver also got like look at this silver, bro. On January, look at this, right? Yeah, it's here, right? It's going from. This was the point, right? When I talk my stream, ki like market can from here, market can go up to the up levels, but this is 48, and after that, I was on literally 170, right? I was like, I was that I'm not like sure that the market will go up. I was like, yeah, you can target this level, but after that, market just up and up and up. Like there is a, I think there is a like a short is due, and when market will fall, it will fall like literally like I think 2010 or 2000, not 2000, like this crypto falls, right? It will definitely make a like a big candle, like 10% or like 12% a day down, literally. Something like when it falls, it will fall something like this, like 10% on 10% of fall, right? There's a fall is due, literally. We'll see when, but there is. That's why I don't look for like any shorts or I'll say buy. You can look for buy, but this is already too high, right? But I can't say anything for the goal, literally. And Q is already good. There's nothing here, so we'll wait. Okay, let me check. Okay, 40, 50. Mm. For example, right, it can 15 minutes not showing anything. 5 minutes, okay, it's going down, but you need to wait for like a structure to form, then you can look for any trades. You can look for GR40, it follows like momentum, good momentum, right? This is mostly London. Drop, like it moves very good on London mostly. It's also like moves on NY session also, but London is basically very good for to trade this. There is no flip. I don't think so. Let's see. There's nothing. Right, guys, like there is nothing, right? We took one, two trades. We already got our win. Okay, so I don't think there is nothing like there is more to it. Okay, so I will be like, if you have any question, you can ask, and then otherwise I will be closing the stream in 5 minutes. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, otherwise I think I will wrap up the stream after 5 minutes. So any pair you want me to like analyze? Let's see. Let's do a little bit of exotic. Let's do a little bit of crypto first. BTC and Sol, right? Weekly, what's weekly is doing? Took some good sells, buys, but there's nothing currently. Look at, frankly speaking, like I haven't traded BTC that much because there was no current clear price action. Instead, it took like Sol. This was my last trade, like, but this you like see, this is a level again. After that, you can say this is again a level, and I took 150 mostly. This was my last trade, right? This was my last trade only. I like look at this how much I missed. How much I missed, right? I caught this one. Look at this. How much I missed. It's okay. Okay, guys, if there is nothing, then okay. Wait a minute. Okay, let's say the forget. Oh, sorry. Forget to check UJ. Weekly, let's say weekly is already the thing open here. So I think now the pullback is due on this one. Daily is also good. Same thing, right? There is no level, right? Key where we want to like trade. There's nothing. Price is just dumped. There's nothing, right? Consumer confidence is nothing. I think let's say tomorrow. I think it will see a pullback on this one. After that, we'll trade. For me, tomorrow I am expecting Euro USD to go down after the news. Then I will look for entries. Otherwise, if price will not go like down and tap out this level, so I will look the same opportunity here. Like I wait for this order flow to build, and then there would be an opportunity to shorts or only shorts. I will not looking for like long here. I will look for shorts with this level. So that's it for the today, guys. Do like the stream. Okay, do follow us on our all social media channels. See you on the next stream, guys.